Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be drawing a zebra. Z for zebra. Let's start with simple curves. Draw two curves, one and two. Let's join them carefully and let's draw the hair. And fill it up. Now let's draw a line across the face, two eyes, a small circle, and now fill it up. Another circle, small circle, and fill it up. Now two small circles for nose, smile, and let's draw the stripes. Three stripes on each side. Three on right, three on left. Eyebrows, one and two. And now ears. Another line. And done. Now left ear. And join back. Here is your zebra. How do we draw the letter Z? A sleepy line, a slant line, and another sleepy line. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. This was the last letter of our A to Z series. Hope you had fun. Excellent work.